Welcome back. Tim Field, the director of the Crawford County Museum, is with us this morning, and he's here to share some new things that the museum is up to this spring. Welcome, Tim.
Thank you.
All right, so you guys have a full list of activities. Tell us, what can we expect this week?
This week on Wednesday, we're hosting a group of ladies that want to get back into the traditional crafts. And it's an organizational meeting, and they'll probably be meeting at least once a month. And it's things like cooking and beekeeping and soap making, sausage, gardening, things like that.
Incredible.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us, what are some of the other ones? And why? Tell us just like what the organization is, why you guys offer these kinds of classes.
Well, the museum likes to highlight the history of Crawford County as well as Pittsburgh. We're also getting programs on the traditional crafts and the lifestyles that people did that made them self-sufficient.
Okay.
So a lot of the new workshops are going to be based on those lines.
Excellent. Okay, and so give us some of the other examples of classes and when to sign up.
This coming Saturday, excuse me, we're going to have a rug hooking workshop.
Okay.
And people can come in and learn how to do the craft, and they purchase the materials and make the rugs. And they meet every other Wednesday as well at the museum. The week after that, we're having a weaving workshop, and that's open to anyone 12 and older, and they will be making mug rugs or coasters and taking them home with them at the end of the day.
Love that.
The 17th, we're doing a sausage making workshop that teaches people how to make sausage at home instead of buying it at the store.
That's actually really interesting. I bet that's fun too.
It is. And in that workshop, we'll not only show them how to make the sausage, but we're going to cook some of it up so everybody gets to see the results as well.
Oh, great. And who is this for? Who can sign up?
Anybody 16 or older can sign up for them.
Okay. And where do you go to sign up?
You can go to the website, CrawfordCountyHistoricalMuseum.com, or you can call the museum at 620-231-1440.
So you can have a full list of everything scheduled, so you can kind of see what classes are being offered.
Yep.
And it seems like there's something going on all the time there.
Every Saturday through March, we have something going on.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like a great time, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, looking forward to it. And
Yep.
stick around because we got more news coming up right after this.